Assalamu alaikum viewers. The topic is operations on natural numbers. Addition case 1. एडिशन के केस में हमारे पास दो केस आते हैं व्हेन वी हैव टू डील विद द डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम, राइट. वी जस्ट ऐड द डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड द डिनोमिनेटर रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. But when we have to deal with different denominators, then we have to make them like fractions, change their denominators, make them equal, and then add the denominators, right. And subtraction is the same case like addition, just we have to subtract them instead of addition. And there are two cases with the same denominator and with different denominators. When we have to add or subtract the rational numbers, in actually we have to deal with the signs. Sometimes in adding the rational numbers, we have to subtract because of the different signs. If we have a rational number positive, first let's suppose 1/2 and the other is -1/2, and we have to add them. In other words, we are adding this, right, but we have to subtract them. 1 minus 1, right, plus minus minus. So we have deals with the signs. So it's addition or subtraction, both have two cases with same denominator and with different denominators. The other one is additive inverse, p/q plus minus p/q. Any rational number have its inverse with the opposite sign, right. The number, let's suppose 2/3, it will have inverse -2/3, right. Or -2/3 will have 2/3 as its inverse. Additive inverse is the number which give us 0 at the result on adding them. Next is multiplication. So in multiplication is very simple. When we multiply the rational numbers, we just have to multiply the denominator with the denominator and the denominator with the denominator. Let's suppose 2/3 multiply by 4/3. We can change the denominator. Let's 5. So we have to multiply the denominator with the denominator. 2 multiplied by 4 or 3 multiplied by 5. So 8/15. It's very simple. And the division is actually the inverse of multiplication. It's inverse of multiplication, right. Division is inverse of multiplication. When we have to divide, we just simply change the sign of division by the multiplication and change the denominator with the denominator and then multiply them, right. Let's suppose 2/3 multiply by 3 dividing this. We just change the sign and reverse the denominator with the denominator. इसे invert कर देंगे. So 8/9 will be the answer. So these are the operations on the rational numbers and these are very simple.